This 2023 F-150 comes with the brown cloth seating, an extra split, and then it also has the workspace right here. So if you're on the road and need a spot to eat or do some work, this is perfect. This is a one-owner vehicle with around 9,000 miles. It does come equipped with a 5-liter V8, giving you plenty of power on the road. So the previous owner did do some aftermarket modifications. This includes the Beltec springs all the way around, the C-notched frame, and then it's also sitting on some 22-inch aftermarket wheels. This F-150 does come equipped with the trailer hitch and backup camera, and then you do get the tonneau cover. The previous owner was nice enough to leave the factory wheels. If you're interested in taking a look at this truck, please give me a call using my extension 1011 or stop by the Ashland store and ask for Lily.